Sita Manjunath is a founder of Akshaya Papad and Food Processing Industry. Basically, she was a journalist. After her marriage, she had to come to Asan, so she had to quit the job and she was free. One day, her husband asked her, "Why don't you do some business?" She said, "Okay." Then he introduced her to his uncle Hamsarat. He suggested her to open some industries like toys, mosquito bats. She was not interested in all that. And they suggested this because they are the fast growing business, but she was interested in food preparation and food from her early days. From her early days, she thought of opening a food industry. Her husband suggested her to do study about the product and demand for the product, and also he told to start only when you have a 100% confidence. After studying about all this for more than 2 years, she started Akshaya Papad and food processing industry in Assam. Sir, next slide. How do they come up with an idea? As I said earlier, she was interested in food. She committed that she is going to do business in the field of food. Generally, in Assam and Malnad region, jackfruit is readily available, but it is not utilized properly. So she thought to use jackfruit as a main ingredient of her product. When and how they started business? They opened an industry in 2020, just before Corona lockdown. She already started a market study 2 years before. In these 2 years, she contacted about 8 to 10 scientists of GKVK and Tanjavur. They also gave some guidelines to her. After she started inquiring about the machines required for industry, she purchased machineries from Gujarat. She took an EDC. She also took an EDC program. EDC program stands for Entrepreneurial Development Council, where they gave a platform and idea about how to run industries, challenges you are going to face while running the industries, how your product label should be, how to interact with the customer, loopholes, etc.
Family support. Our family support in each and every step and in every investment and other instructions. The family supported her. Her husband not only helped in setting up an industry, and he also encouraged to become a good entrepreneur. As my friend has told that she was interested in food, his husband took her to a person and he explained about how you must start this and how to into contact for this small industry scale. And her parents and in-laws also supported. Everyone supported in the family, and investment from her own husband has been good, not from other. Marketing, digital marketing. Digital marketing means marketing the our product in the digital field. Digital field means in Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram or Twitter and other. He had not put any advertisement or banner in his Rasan from mouth to mouth publicity, and he said that I told to my family, the family told to their friends told to the other persons, and through friends and relatives, he hired two people to do marketing. She gathered some people and she contacted some people by telling that uh, you must come to marketing in the sales, and she took two of the people to marketing.
The products are made are poppers, pickles, rasam powder, chips, puliyogre powder, etc. There are around 30 varieties of product. These are the main products they sell. Organization structure. The company employed around 10 people, 2 people for marketing, 2 people for packing, 3 people for production, 2 people for distribution, and 1 for electrician. They divided the work according to their people work. Advice for budding entrepreneurs: hard work, determination, focus, market survey, competitive mind, concentrated on the positive things. As Kiran KV told, the market survey is done by, they do not do any posters, banners to do any market by initial days. They discuss it with their friends and told by people, by appointing it to members, people visiting Asan city local shops and conveying their product. Initial days mistake, the product cost. Initially they kept 6 rupees per papad, which is very high compared to other product in the marketing. This made their mistake for starting in factory. By upcoming days, the price were reasonable to the customers. These are pictures taken as the workers. We interacted with them. They are working according to their sectors, productions, marketing, all.